Alright, I got all these clamps on sale. Now I have to figure out where to put them. Let's build a clamp rack.
For this project, I'm using some old fence pickets, so I sent it through the planer for a light pass to clean it up. I used the miter saw to cut the pieces down to size. Since this is going to be a 2-shelf rack, I cut one of the fence pickets down to 3 inches. I just cut down this side so that I would have a nice clean edge. So here it is. I drew out where I needed the slots in there, and I just used the actual clamp as a guide. Figured out how much space I wanted between them and how far I wanted the slots in. Now I need to cut the slots out. Okay, so I got some support pieces cut and the back cut, and I'm going to glue it together like so. And then I'm going to cut this piece to fit in there so that I can have 2 rows. And here it is, all fully assembled. I put a couple coats of polyacrylic on it to protect it. Once it dried, it was time to hang it on the wall. Now I have this extra area to use as a shelf. Thanks for watching.